Keeping 13 by Chloe Walsh. Love was just the beginning, but surviving the next chapter is the real test. Johnny Kavanagh has been lost since his injury sidelined him, and the number 13 jersey that wants to find him feels like a distant memory. His heart, however, is not lost, because Shannon Lynch occupies every thought, pulling him toward a future he can't yet grasp. Shannon has always been a keeper of secrets. Traumatized by her past, she hides away to protect her little brothers and cling to the scraps of the life she still has. But Johnny is the only person who can pull her out of the shadows and remind her what love feels like. As new secrets emerge, dangerous, life-changing, and shocking, Johnny and Shannon must face the ultimate question: can their love survive when everything around them threatens to unravel? Keeping 13 is the heart-stopping continuation of the Binding 13 duology, perfect for fans of Irish romance, friends to lovers, sports romance, dual POVs, and the boys of Tom and Universe. Listen to the full audiobook now and dive into a story of love, heartbreak, and secrets that will stay with you long after the final page. The free audiobook link is in the description. Don't miss it.